living positively, living positive, living positively, living positively.
Molweni makhaya, namkelekile ku Siyayinqoba Beat It, inkqubo yakhe wonke ubani ochaphazelekayo nophila nentsholongwane kagawulayo. Igama lam ndingunokubonga, ndiphila nentsholongwane kagawulayo. Uphando lubonisa ukuba amazinga entsholongwane kagawulayo kumanye amazwe ase-Afrika aphezulu kakhulu kumadoda athandanayo naxa kuthelekiswa namanye amadoda. Ekapa kwilokishi yaseMiningburg kuye kwaqala i-support group samadoda athandana namanye amadoda. Makhe siyokuva uba basiphatheleni. Namhlanje sise-Miningburg eCape Town. Sizokudibana namalungu e-support group sobhuti abagay. Bona baza kusichazela kabanzi ngokunqongophala kwemiyalezo yokukhusela i-HIV ne-STIs engqale kanye kubantu abagay. Guys, tell us, how was the life before you formed the support group?
We had very little support in our community. We didn't know where to turn to or to go and look for help. We were also scared to maybe go to health clinics too. So we were also uneducated about HIV and AIDS and STIs. And we as a gay community also didn't stand together as one.
We have decided just to form this NGO Rich for Life Foundation, where we are associated with a lot of NGOs, not in the suburbs, but out of the suburbs of Menneberg, with the Anger Project, Help for Men, out of Africa, and we're working very hard as a foundation, as an NGO, to form and to show our support to the to people outside there, because why? There's people in the community who is gay, but don't want to disclose that they are gay. So we have formed a support group to say enough is enough, we will take the stand.
Guys, we're having these organizations that are working on HIV and AIDS, doing education about prevention, all stuff. But for you as gay people, do you feel that message? From media, newspapers, TV, do you feel that message? Is the message talking to you as gay people?
So one of the major issues that we had to focus on when we started this project and around messaging was that we realized that there were no HIV prevention messaging out there that was specifically aimed at gay sex. And because we understand this is a taboo subject, because people are not yet comfortable speaking about, anal sex or oral sex. And in our facilitation groups and in our support groups, most of what we had to educate the people about was about what we knew ourselves. We didn't have any booklets, we didn't have any posters where we could work from. And so that is one of the major issues that we need to focus on in our country as well.
Ngoku maske sithetha nosisifisa kadubula nozokuthetha nathi ngokunqongophala kwemiyalezo yeprevention engqale ngqo kumadoda agay okanye kumadoda alala namanye amadoda. Sisifiseka sicela usichazele sisi ingaba yinyani na nobana i-message eninzi yeprevention ifocuse only kubantu aba-heterosexual?
Yinyani sisi. Once kubekho i-groups ezingakhavarishwayo yi-prevention okanye zii-policies ezikhona around prevention, ithetha ukuthi baya-marginalizwa. Abantu marginalizwa ngwe-communication kwenziwa nento yobana bangabonakali kongathi bona iyabachaphazela i-HIV ekuhlaleni. At the same time buyakhumbula mos bathe obhuti aba kuyilantuka kwi-support group. Abantu aba bantu ke ngoku bona i-messages ezithargethe bona bacinga bafana babona ku-safe ukulala nabantu abagay, because kaloku akho kwa message ithetha nabantu abagay. So kuyanyanzeleka into basiyitshintshe indlela esenza ngayo prevention izokwazi uquka wonke umuntu ochaphazelekayo.